Nice. Lithium ions in my pussy. Them cells be popping.
Dude, what did I just say?
Oh, the Twix got me. He's on cap.
There's one in Nest.
I like how I've been slow walking and Nat is just fucking behind me. I got Deagle headshot in mid-air.
Crazy.
Oh my god. Nat, what the fuck? Palace. No, that was the Yep, last is T-ramp.
Ace, baby.
Literally 1 HP full.
1 HP ace.
Scoping's for losers. Good thing I'm not a loser.
I hit that guy for 10 damage.
That's all he needed. All he needed was 10, but he gave him all 12, if you know what I mean. And I ain't talking Subway, boys and girls. Ooh, Subway sounds good. What?
I haven't had Subway in so long, dude. The bread is so bad for you.
Get anything but Subway.
I like Subway.
Subway is just shitty, man.
Yeah, I don't.
Shitty ingredients,
lot.
shitty food.
I used to like it until I started eating subs at this supermarket next to like my house. Not
Yeah, go to
next
your
my house,
local
but-
like sub place.
Yeah,
I
the
didn't
local
like
Dells
it.
are way
I
better.
didn't like it until Jared Fogel's campaign kind of launched. Then I saw what it did for Jared Fogel. I was like, wow.
Yeah, I didn't like it until Jared started touching me as a kid.
Hermione, Hennessy Granger.
Dude, you need to make
Hermione
Hennessy Granger.
It's not Wingardi Leviosa. It's Wingardi Leviosa.
Harry vodka. No.
Harry
Harry
Vodka.
Vodka.
Hennessy Granger. Ron Whiskey.
Ron whiskey. Oh
Alright.
my god. Dude, we're so
Dobby
wants to
doesn't
explain
want
to
to get
me?
hammered. But
Who
Dobby's
wants to
gonna do
explain
it
to
for
me
the
who the fuck
boys.
Beaver is?
Kegster and Dobby's going fucking nuts.
Oh my
Dobby.
god.
They're behind
Bro,
us
I
in
can't
case.
hit
Oh my
him.
god, we're on T side.
Suck a ball?
Yes.
You know what that means, Kate?
You wanna?
Yes, I would just adore having
Wow.
Glock-18 Fade with a float of 0.02845565229654, the paint seed of 251, and a fade percentage of 93.77164% with the Hellraisers Holo Katowice 2014 sticker in the 4th best position. Thank you very much.
It's like Nat, the round's over.
Alright, now that
Oh,
Nat's
there it
done
is.
reading a fucking Wikipedia page.
That guy just actually got shit on.
Well, what if he's into that?
You know what? Fair enough.
Scat Pack. Challenger.
Yup.
Our team are so bad.
Literally, I think of, every time I hear Scat Pack, I think of shit.
There's a deagle in front of you.
I would rather have a Glock-18 Fade.
What was
You're
that?
right, actually.
Oh, sorry. I'd rather have a
Can
Glock-18
she
Fade.
say it? Wow.
Float 0.02845565229654.
Don't stop moving. You're still playing the game?
For the paint seat of 251.
Yeah, yeah.
Fade percentage of 93.77164% with the
That
Hellraisers
was
Holo
amazing.
Katowice 2014 sticker in the 4th best position. That was an ace, by the way.
Wait.
Doesn't shaving cream cause like reproductive harm?
What?
What?
I said, doesn't shaving cream cause like reproductive harm?
What?
Dude.
What?
Do not tell me you have a big ass rainforest.
No, I was just saying, like, doesn't it say on the bottle somewhere?
Yes, it does. It does.
On the
What?
ball? Did you say on the balls?
Did you look this up?
Fucking shaving cream could have detrimental effects on a man's ability to reproduce.
What?
Told you.
Are you serious, Brennan?
Shaving cream messes with your sperm count.
How though? Does it like seep through the ball skin? Like go into the
Told you, bro.
Like what?
I told you.
No way.
I'm a cream fan, day one.
How did you know this? Nah.
Because
You just bored in the shower one day?
Okay, I just
Reading the bottle.
Like what?
We're being quiet.
There's just like.
We're making so much noise, eh?
Oh, we
They're
being
all rushing
quiet.
A. They're all rushing A.
Green, how are you even still alive?
I'm a god of
What was
dodging. Ducking and dipping and diving. Dodging and ducking.
Whoa, whoa, buddy. Wow.
Flow in
Dude.
my general direction.
That guy's having a bad round.
Oh, dude, I just
Nice
gambled a
under
sick
tag.
ass Tech 9 skin. Let's go. Luck
Dude,
is on my
nice fucking
side
job.
today.
In their spawn.
What?
Where's
Wait, the fracture case is like 60
Nice.
cents.
Oh,
Main.
I got it.
Main.
Oh my
Put a no
god.
scope.
Go off, Queen. That was
Alright,
filthy.
you know, the
Cook. You a
I like
cook,
Cuck
Griffith.
better, but... Bro.
Bro, what? That was like actually an unwinnable situation. Throw fucking simple in that situation fucking 100 times. He's winning it maybe twice. Maybe twice. Like, hello?
Tries to come up with a bullshit analogy, realizes it's way too out of line. Corrects it with bare minimum.
Maybe twice.
Maybe twice.
I bet you this guy lets you die. Okay, wow. Oh, almost. Oh, fucking most. You could have it, but I want a gun. I want an M4, so can you buy me an M4 or something? You take the up.
Give up, get.
Can you buy me an M4? You fucking fat. Thank you.
No,
You're not fat, by the way.